النبأ العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا ليلا لباسا وجعلنا نهارا معاشا.
The 10th year anniversary of Rabittah Academy brought together the League of Imams from across six local governments in Ijebu, members of Rabittah community as well past and present students. Also in attendance was the Ogun State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Professor Abayomi Aribabu, alongside other notable dignitaries. The Chairman Board of Management of Rabittah Academy and Chairman of the Planning Committee, Alhaji Muftauddin Olubajo, described the day as a testimony to the institution's resilience. Alhaji Olubajo reflected on the humble beginning of the academy, which started with a sacred vision rooted in Islamic moral and the pursuit of the quality education, an idea powered by the faith and determination. He noted that the school has grown into a thriving academic community built through philanthropy, volunteer donations, and the unwavering support from the parents. He urged the entire school community to remain committed to the academic continuous growth and evolving mission.
Today's event is not merely a gathering. It's a moment of collective reflection, a testimony of institutional resilience, and a landmark of educational history in Ijebu land. When Islam, through its normative sources, the Quran and the Sunnah, enjoins the pursuit of knowledge, it does so not as a casual suggestion, but as a civilized imperative. It was this sacred mandate that inspired the League of Imams and Alphas in Ijebu land to conceive, establish, what has now become Ijebu Rabittah Academy. No doubt they must have gone through a lot of hurts and difficulties. We thank Almighty Allah for the journey so far. The school was founded in 2015 with the vision of fusing Talim, intellectual training, and Tabia, moral cultivation. The academy emerged as a strategic response to the educational needs of our community and moral expectations of our faith. From its inception, Ijebu Rabittah Academy has stood as both an institution and a historical project. It embodies the pedagogical traditions of Muslim scholarship in Yoruba land, while simultaneously aligning itself with contemporary curricular demands. Past decade, the school has grown from modest infrastructural beginnings into a standard dynamic structure of learning, marked by disciplined administration, committed staff, and learners whose achievements and accomplishments bear witness to the academy's cherished ethos. The history we commemorate today is therefore twofold. It is the history of a school that has matured from vision to reality. And it is also the history of a community that looks responsibility for shaping its intellectual future. The academic story is a historiographical record of collective will, resolve of religious scholarship, contribution of philanthropists, dedication of educators, and trust of parents who believe in ideals we represent. Each classroom built, each award and laurels won from different competitions, each lesson taught, and each child molded is a part of broader narrative, a narrative of faith-driven educational progress. And in fact, our students, some of whom have graduated, some who are still in the university and in the medical field, yesterday they did a medical outreach and invited people and tested and gave them some advice. They are part of our pride. 10 years on, we have cause for celebration. Our students have displayed themselves in the inter-school debates and competitions, academic examinations, internal and external, and civic engagements. Our teachers have continued to embody the discipline, patience, and professionalism required of true educators. Our management has remained faithful to the founding principles and ideals of academic excellence, moral integrity, and community development. These achievements are not accidental, they are not incidental. They are the outcomes of deliberate institutional philosophy grounded in Islamic worldview and enriched by sound educational practices. The anniversary also offers a moment for forward-looking reflection. As we celebrate, we must recommit ourselves to the next decade of development. We are witnessing what part of those who have gone and part of some of us who are still living, what we have done the last 10 years. Let us look forward. What do we want this school to be in another 10 years? A decade that will demand innovation, infrastructural expansion, and pedagogical strategies, strengthened partnerships, and continuous moral formation.
Delivering the keynote lecture, Professor Ijebu Rabittah spoke extensively on the theme Muslim Child Education Rabittah Academy on Call. Professor Rabittah emphasized that education occupies a central and a far place in Islam. He, however, noted several challenges confronting Muslim educations, involving the need for modern hostels, advanced technological facilities, and well-equipped laboratory that can enhance learning and align the academic with global educational standards.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ tó jẹ́ ti ọmọ Mùsùlùmí òun ni kọ̀ǹsáàní wa. A dẹ̀ mọ̀ yí pé ẹ̀sìn wa tó jẹ́ ẹ̀sìn Islam ò fi ọwọ́ yẹpẹrẹ mú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́. Kódà àkọsílẹ̀ fi yé wa yí pé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ni Ọlọ́run kọ́kọ́ gbé fún òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run Ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A rántí pé nígbà tí Màláíkà Jibril wá bá òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ní Gari Iran, ohun tó kọ́ sọ fún náà ni pé Ikra ká. Àwọn nǹkan tán sọ fún wa pé Ànábì dá lóhùn pé mọ̀hánà bí kọ́ọ̀rì mi ò pẹ̀lú ẹni tó mọ̀ nǹkan kà. Ṣùgbọ́n ó tún jágbe mọ́ lẹ́lẹ́kejì pé Ikra ká. Ànábì ní mi ò pẹ̀lú ẹni tó mọ̀ nǹkan kà. Kó tó wá sọ pé Ikra bí ismi rabbika alladhi khalaqa. Khalaqal insana min alakin. Ikra wa rabbukal akram. Alladhi allama bil qalam. Allamal insana ma lam ya'lam. So tó túmọ̀ sí pé ẹ̀sìn tí a fẹ́ gbé fún òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run pé kó gbé fún ọmọ aráyé yẹn ẹ̀kọ́ ló máa gbé dúró. Ìmọ̀ ṣe pàtàkì lórí ẹ̀. Ìyẹn ló fà á tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ìmọ̀ náà Ọlọ́run kọ́kọ́ tì síwájú fún Ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rí àwọn ìpèníjà àtàwọn yẹn gbà yẹn wọ́n kojú ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ mẹ́yọ̀ ìyẹn náà làwọn ṣe ń jẹ́ mùsùlùmí lẹ́nìí. Tó bá pé ń ṣe ni wọ́n juwọ́ lẹ̀ fún ìpèníjà yẹn ni pé wẹ́ kò sí nǹkan tá a lè ṣe sí òyìnbó ti dé àwọn á dẹ̀ ṣe kinní kan ó ṣeé ṣe ká má jẹ́ mùsùlùmí mọ́ lẹ́nìí. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n kojú ìpèníjà yẹn everywhere kódà nínú ìwádìí ẹ rí i pé àwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí alákadá bá rí nǹkan bá máa research ni báwo la ṣé wọ́n lówó ń gbà yẹn jù sí lọ ni ṣé owó wọn ṣé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ló lówó ni bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí nínú ìwádìí tá a ṣe a padà gbọ́ pé ìgbìyànjú ló pọ̀ ju owó tí wọ́n ní lọ torí pé wọ́n sọ fún wa pé ìkànnì nínú àwọn iléèwé yẹn pé ńgbà tó di pé kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì approve ìkànnì àwọn ọba Sheikh Surajudeen Badmus ọlọ́run kó sàlékún kẹ́gẹ̀ fún wọn thesis wọn papà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ń sọ yìí nígbà yẹn lọ́hùn. Bàbá wa inú ìwádìí wọ́n padà wá discover pé ìgbìyànjú ló pọ̀ wọ́n nígbà tó di pé kí wọ́n approve kan náà wọ́n léèwé yẹn tó di pé ministry ń bọ̀ ó kù just typewriter. Àwọn yẹn dẹ̀ ti dáwó ti rẹ̀ wọ́n pé kan náà bàbá yẹn ṣe ló gbé agbádá ẹ̀ tó tóbi tó lágbára jẹ́ pé agbádá aṣọ ńlá náà fi mọ olówó láyé gbà yẹn ó gbé tà ó dẹ̀ ní kó fowó yẹn ra typewriter yẹn síbẹ̀. So ẹ rí i pé commitment wọ́n gbà yẹn wọ́n ṣe gbogbo wàhálà yẹn kò ṣe àwọn ọ̀fẹ́ lọ́jọ́ kan kíláàsì o àwọn ò ní discourse àti wọ́n gbà yẹn ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọmọ wọn ń wòye pé Islam ìmọ́lẹ̀ tó dé wá báwa yìí òkùnkùn gbọ́dọ̀ tún gbà lọ́wọ́ wa mọ́ Ọlọ́run kò ṣe àlékún ìkẹ́ àti ìgẹ̀ fún gbogbo wọn. Ẹ wá rí bí gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo sọ pé generation tó wá ń ta àgbà tó yá ìjọba tẹ́wọ́ gba gbogbo school kálukú náà relax pé ìjọba ló dẹ̀ ń gbọ́ bùkátà school lẹ́nìí ṣùgbọ́n wà tó yá bùkátà yẹn fẹ́ ó tóbi débi pé apá ìjọba ò ká àwa náà rí pápá ìjọba ọ̀ka ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́lẹ̀ ìwé mi báyìí máa wo pé sọ́mi èèyàn náà ló sì wà ń bí ìyẹn ló fà tó padà wá tún bí nǹkan míì tó bí ìdàgbàsókè míì òun náà ni private participation. Private participation yẹn ló bí irú ilé ìwé tá a wà yìí. Torí pé nígbà tí private náà wá dé, àwọn tó kọ́kọ́ rí náà rí àwọn tó kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ rí i pé àwọn Christian ló kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. School kẹ̀dẹ̀ ní to the Christians a lè blame wọn, mission ni. Purpose school is to train people to become to follow their ideology. That is the main purpose. So nígbà tí private náà máa tún dìde gbogbo àná rí wọn káàkiri àdúgbò ẹ rí i pé tọmọ bá tún débẹ̀ náà tó bá tiẹ̀ gbé Islam lọ tí ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ Islam yẹn á sọnù kó tó jáde. So ìyẹn ló fà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn mùsùlùmí ò gbọdọ̀ káwọ́ gbéra ló jẹ́ kí irú àwọn bàbá wa náà padà tún ronú pé gbogbo ayé máa ibi tí ayé dẹ̀ lọ yìí nísìnyí tàbá wò lé náà rí pé society ti pín sí méjì. Lóòótọ́ àwọn apá kan lọ public school ṣùgbọ́n àwọn apá kan lọ private. Méjèèjì kẹlẹ́ a gbọ́dọ̀ dú pé àwọn tó ń lọ public wọn ò sọ Islam wọn nù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà la gbọ́dọ̀ dú pé àwọn tó ń lọ private àwọn náà sọ Islam wọn nù.
The Ogun State Commissioner for Education, Professor Abayomi Arigbabu, who commended the effort of the school management and assured them of his support, encouraged the community not to relent in working collectively beyond donations to elevate Rabittah Academy into an institution that will reflect its vision and potentials.
Nígbà tí àti dá school sílẹ̀ inú mi dùn torí pé lára àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé ó ń jẹ wá níyà òun là ń try láti address yẹn pé iléèwé yìí ti wá wà bí n sin fún 10 years tó dẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ tó dẹ̀ ṣe máa wà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ Ọlọ́run á ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣẹ́rí owó kọ́ ni gbogbo nǹkan ọ̀hún yẹn mo máa fi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ chairman Alhaji Olúbàyò ṣe wọ́n pé expertise wọn as a former principal general ní Ogun State òun náà ń lò lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ kí ló yẹ kẹ́ gbé consultancy fún wọn kẹ́ máa sanwó fún wọn ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ná ara yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ ń lo ogun knowledge yẹn fún wa torí ẹ̀ náà la rú àwọn tí Dr. Salisu tó ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn náà la rí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ náà sí ti Central Mosque so definitely iṣẹ́ tí gbogbo wa gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́wọ́ tì ní torí pé àmọ́ ibi tí iléèwé yìí tó máa kó nínú live àwọn ọmọ wa ó take Ogun State ní 46 years as only Muslim commissioner for education after 20 commissioners láṣẹ ní Muslim commissioner for education so ká mọ̀ pé àwa mùsùlùmí èrè pọ̀ ní ẹsẹ̀ bàbá alájọ wa ṣùgbọ́n adúpẹ́ lọ́dún lọ́hùn pé ọkọ̀ tá à ń ṣe iná ṣá àwọn Christian pàápàá wọ́n fẹ́ẹ́ lè sọ pé kàn jẹ́ kí Muslim kò máa ṣe lọ adúpẹ́ lọ́dún Ọlọ́run so ìtò dùn èmi lọ́kàn nípa iléèwé yìí ni pé school ẹ̀yọ̀ kan yìí ta kọ́wọ́ tì torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe wá ń jọ ìyẹn rántí pé mò ń bọ̀ láti Abẹ́òkúta torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe dé ọ̀nù ilé láti wò mo máa ń kọjá tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n mo wọlé mo wá wo gbonú ilé mo ó yẹ kí àwọn èèyàn dé bíbá kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé tí wọ́n bá tiẹ̀ ti wọlé látẹnu ọ̀nà òde ẹ̀ máa ti mọ̀ so inú mi dẹ̀ dùn pé irú chief launcher yẹn tó sọ pé àwọn máa ṣe hostel ó wà very very befitting classrooms yẹn náà wà very very appropriate and àwọn teacher tó dá gbàǹyà láti wá make sure pé environment kan téèyàn bá yẹ wọlé yàrá gbogbo ilé ìyẹ̀pẹ̀ wà ń bí kìnìún wà lọ́hùn yìí ṣe mọ̀ téèyàn bá ti wọlé even the landscape should be inviting táwọn ọmọ náà báyìí ti dé bíbá àwọn náà mọ̀ pé yes bí mini university ló yìí máa rí Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún wa so gbogbo nǹkan tí gbogbo wa bá lè ṣe láti jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kò pé kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ pé nǹkan tá a máa sọ pé a ṣe léni àparí ẹ̀ léni so in my capacity as an educationist and as the commissioner for education I will do all within my capacity to uplift this school to a standard that will be very very enviable.
One of the major highlights of the celebration was the award presentation segment, where several families who have made significant contribution to the growth and establishment of the academy were honored. The awardee expressed appreciation and pledged their continued support to the institution.
Awọ́dù fún bàbá rẹ̀ Al-Fatiha. Ya sayyidu wara wala hawla illa billah.
ẹni tó bá ṣe dáadáa tó bá fọmọ rí lẹ̀ á rí nǹkan rí lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ bí yẹn bá ṣe wà nílẹ̀ bí yẹn bá nù máa burú ṣe bí yẹn bá tẹra mọ́ èèyàn á padà bá ń bẹ̀ náà ni ẹlòmíì wà náà kò ń ṣe dáadáa sílẹ̀ èèyàn máa ń retí àkíbà ìgbẹ̀yìn lèèyàn máa ń retí gbogbo tí yẹn bá ṣe láyé ìfẹ́yàn ó ti dandan kéèyàn gbẹ̀san ẹ̀ ẹ̀san tí bàbá wa ṣe tí wọ́n lè fọwọ́ proud nǹkan ẹ̀ làwọn gbà ń bí ilé ni.
ìmọ̀ràn mi fún àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni pé gbogbo wa la mọ̀ pé ẹ̀kọ́ òun ló ń lajú gbogbo nǹkan ẹ̀kọ́ ìmọ̀ náà ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni tó bá nímọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan ló ní ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa tá a wà yìí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tí a nílò jù ni pé kí àwọn ọmọ wa kàwé nítorí pé ìwé kíkà àti ìmọ̀ ẹ̀sìn báyìí òun ló mú ọmọ yè tó yanjú.
Donations were also made for the development of the school with a promise from the representative of the chief launcher, Augustine Uzioma Humwumere, who revealed plan for the construction of modern hostel by March 2026, designed to accommodate 75 boys and 75 girls.
Promise wọn jọ náà ni pé àwọn máa rèsì fẹ́ǹsì lọ síbi tá a bá fẹ́. Mo dẹ̀ ti pè wọ́n pé àwọn ẹlòmíì ti fẹ́ jẹ mọ́gàjì wọ́n ti kó blọ́ọ̀kì yẹn wá. Wọ́n á sọ fún mi ní àárọ̀ onífọ́tò ìjẹrin rí bàbá. Wọ́n ní kò nídìí pé kí líìgì sọ pé wọ́n làwọn fúnra ara wọn làwọn máa bricklayer, cement and everything. So fúnra rẹ̀ tọ́ létí bàbá.
In her remarks, the principal of Rabittah Academy, Mrs. Bello Monsurat, noted proudly that the school has recorded remarkable achievements in the past 10 years. She expressed gratitude to staff, students, parents, and the entire community whose dedication has shaped the school's success.
It means a lot because we really appreciate. Even our students make us proud for the 10th anniversary because we are really proud of them. We have achieved a lot because we produce, for now, we have a lot of graduates outside that are lawyers, doctors, pharmacists among us. So I'm happy today.
In an assessment tour within the school, the Ogun State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Professor Abayomi Arigbabu, alongside others, recommended the school management for the journey so far. A large canal created by the erosion threatening portions of the school perimeter was, however, noticed, calling for immediate attention. The Commissioner for Education said the Ministry of Environment would be contacted for urgent intervention to ensure the safety of the school infrastructure. The high point of the ceremony was a colorful choreography performance by the students who had glamour to the memorable event.
Ministry of Environment one last week. Sand. What one last week? One news from preliminary stages.
Omi kan ṣe títí lọ dáadé ẹ̀mú omi gbòòrò lọ dáadé ẹ̀mú.
Ìmọ̀wé ẹlẹ́ran Mọ́nípa Express.
Lọ́dọ̀ ìbátẹ̀.
Ẹ̀rí ìsúntọ̀ lọ ọmọ bíbá yìí ilẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ ìṣàlẹ̀.
Ó yẹ káwọn environment ti wà. Ó yẹ kán ti wà.
Wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n wà.
After the why wọ́n wá wọn kọ́ wọn wọ́n do sample.
سال دمعي شوقا يا حبيبي إليك فارد قلبي عشقا بالصلاة عليك طارت روحي حبا في المنام إليك وما كل قربا سيدي لبيك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة قال يا نبينا السلام عليك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة محمد نبينا السلام عليك صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه قال يا نبينا السلام عليك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة محمد نبينا
advise them to continue with this spirit and encourage the young ones. And I also want to advise that they put in more recreational facilities in the school to enhance the beauty of the school.
Actually representing the P1, chairman of P1 group, Dr. Augustine Ozioma, the chief launcher, who is also building a hostel. Being a Christian doesn't mean you can't help the Muslims, you can't support the Muslims. It only shows we are all one. So I think that's why
it's a great achievement for a school to be established and be celebrating 10th year. You can see that Islamic education is the foundation which is required as a good foundation which is Islamic education. And the school has also incorporated Western education. If you look at our surroundings now, our surrounding is full of social crisis, but we have decided to catch these children young. And any foundation that is being laid on Islam will be something that will last longer. So I congratulate the children in this school, the parents and the school management, and encourage them to put in more effort so that a lot of parents will bring their children to this school.
We pray that Almighty Allah continues to strengthen them, that all the students from this school will be a joy and an honor for all of us. We're here to support them as best as we can. I wish them the best.
lọ́wọ́n tó ti lọ àtàwọn tó ṣì wà alive à fún wọn ní award fún akitiyan ìdàgbàsókè èyí tí wọ́n ṣe sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ Rabittah àti Rabittah League of Imam and Alfas fún ilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú ìdàgbàsókè akitiyan tí wọ́n kó là ń fún wọn ní award lónìí àti ayẹyẹ ọdún kẹwàá ti Rabittah.
Adẹ̀wà ń rọ àwọn alákòóso ilé ẹ̀kọ́ yìí kí wọ́n múra síṣẹ́ dáadáa tí wọ́n ń ṣe káwọn àwọn ọmọlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ìgbàlódé ẹ̀kọ́ ti Islam ẹ̀kọ́ ti science ẹ̀kọ́ ti ìmọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀ science technology àti ẹ̀kọ́ iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ so that tí wọ́n bá jáde wọ́n á lè wúlò fún ara wọn wọ́n á wúlò fún àwọn òbí wọn wọ́n á wúlò fún society wọ́n á wúlò fún orílẹ̀-èdè wa lápapọ̀. We encourage them and we pray for them.
The school is a very unique school in our area because this is an Islamic education school which our forefathers tried seriously to establish. Because during their own time, many of their children were sent to Christian schools, which they don't like. So, and for establishing this kind of institution, then it's a unique one for the Muslim.
It is not out of place to thank God for a school to be 10 years. They must have faced a lot of crises. And if you look at it, that this is a school founded by a collection of people, and they did not disorganize. They did not decide to do away with the school. It means God assisted them. And God has done a lot in using them to think for the generation coming behind. We felt the Muslim schools were not enough for the Muslim children. So 10 years ago, these people who we think, this imam, who we think are not too knowledgeable, thought that they should find a school, just as Muslim College was founded by our forefathers. So for them to have done this in this modern age, it is worth to be celebrated.
The lecture centers on the importance of Muslim child education, with particular emphasis on the relevance of Rabittah Academy in the modern society that we live. We have been trying all along. This school has produced a lot of successful individuals, so I will only urge the management to continue to work harder in order to sustain the glory they already have, and they should also continue to
expand the coast by introducing new programs that are relevant to the society we live in now. For instance, the world is talking about technology is very popular now, and we cannot but catch them young. So the school should introduce a program in that line, so that by the time the students are completing secondary school, a lot of them will have gained a lot of skills that will be useful for them in life.
I want to congratulate Rabittah Academy for celebrating 10th year of existence. 10 years is not a joke, and I think we are happy about the progress the school has made. It's a good thing to celebrate. It gives you opportunity to reflect, to look back, look at where you were coming from, look at where you are now, and then try to project into the future. And I think this celebration is an opportunity for the school to do that. The school has been doing well, but I think there is need for them to do more. They should not rest on their horse. I congratulate them. I wish them a happy celebration, and I pray that the school will continue to grow from strength to strength.